Hi friends, today we are going to see a subject called consumer behavior. In that, specifically, we are going to discuss on managerial and consumer perspective of consumer behavior. Myself is Manjunati, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies. Friends, being a producers or being a marketers, we should need to study the market in order to make a marketing plan. We need to study the consumer perspective. We need to study the consumer. We need to know the consumer behavior effectively, so that we can make a effective market strategy or market plan. So, in order to gain the competition. So, when you want to make a market plans, we should know being a marketer how the consumers are going to be preferring the product, how they are going to buying, and what is their behavior. So, if I am able to understand very clearly, so the regarding marketing aspect, so we can come out with a very good marketing mix. So regarding product, what product we purchase, produce, and what is the price strategy we are to use it, what is the promotion strategy we can use it, so that we come to know very easily. So when you're going to be evaluating the market, so being a managerial perspective, consumer behavior tend to be micro and cognitive or rational in nature. So in case of micro aspect of what are the things we have to see, it might be related to their personals like age, income, education, occupations, what they are having. So based on that, their going to be lifestyle will get changed. Based on their attitude, their purchase habits will get changed. Based on their perception, the purchase habits will be changed. So being a marketers, in order to fix a good market mix, we need to have a thorough study of consumer behavior, so that we can come to know what is the market mix we can able to do it. So being a buyers, so buyers are different in enormously in terms of their buying dynamics. So each individuals are having their own dynamics of purchase of regarding the product or service. So being a marketer, we should need to identify the complex difference. What is the difference between different individuals or different consumers while they are going to make a purchase, that we should be able to identify. So, buyer typically will differ in terms of the age. Based on the age, they are going to purchase a different product and the different needs. Based on the income, also they are going to purchase a different product, and education, based on the education, also on the micro aspect will be going to be influence on individuals. So, and as well as one more major dynamics, what we have to study is the geographical location, also one of the major micro factors which are going to be influencing on individuals to choose a product. So, being an organization has to undertake a carry out a market research. So, in order to identify what is their needs, what is their expectations, what is their desires, what product they wishes to buy, what product it can give a satisfaction to those people, so that we can able to come to know. So, being a diverse customers needs, so we should come out in the market mix based on their thorough understanding of your consumers. So, by implication of market, so being a market perspective, the macro factors like reference group, family, social class, the culture, and so on are the major macro factors which are going to be influence on individuals while they are going to be choosing a product. Reference group might be their elder people in their family, or might be educated who are going to be there in the family, or family people, or social where we are residing, and what is the society we are going to be mingling every day, and our culture also, which are going to be influencing our purchase behavior. So it is necessary to satisfy the needs and wants of the consumer. So only you can able to satisfy these needs and wants of the consumers when you are able to understand the consumers. Customer needs na ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so that we can able to delight those needs by coming out with a product which can able to serve the better. Only when means when you are able to understand the micro and macro aspect of consumer behaviors. So, moving to the next concept, the market managers has to adapt the market mix to cultural values. That means whatever the market mix or product for piece of marketing what we are going to be offer, that has to be matched to the cultural value, the base of the consumers who are preferring to buy it. So, in order to see the cultural value of the consumers, being a marketers, we need to study the market research. Based on that, we can able to identify the difference of domestic as well as global market customer needs, so that we can serve better by knowing the feedbacks of the customers. So by knowing the feedback, so that we will come to know what is the product they are interested and what is the product features they are expected. Based on the product, we can design the market mix. So that is a 4 piece, and we can delay those needs. So in case of risk factors, what are the we need to be seen in case of managerial perspective. consumer nature of thinking is not the same. So each individuals are unique in their purchase habits based on their micro and macro factors. We need to see how differ in the different factors. So based on that, we have to come out with a suitable product which can able to serve better. So next factor is the risk factor is there environmental factors also influence on decision making from decision making. So when you're going to be choosing, when any consumers are going to be choosing the product, not only background factor will influence and also the environment, that is the surroundings which the customer is residing, also one of the major factors. Being a marketer, we need to study this market environmental factor also in order to study the consumer decision making very thoroughly so that we can able to sort of their requirements. Next is the complex behavior of the consumer should also be taken into consideration. Based on behavior of individuals also we have to be taken into consideration in order to serve better based on their lifestyles, based on their geographical areas, or based on the features what they are expecting, and external factors like reference group. All those things we have to see thoroughly so that we can able to reduce this complexity and we can serve better to the customer needs. So moving on to the consumer's perspective, consumers' views on individuals' products as a part of your large group has to be reflected their lifestyles. Consumer views and individual products as a part of large group that reflects the lifestyle. Obviously, the customer needs are going to be customer expectations or needs which are going to be automatically reflect their lives based on their lifestyles. So marketing try to understand these needs by studying the lifestyles in different their product promotions. When you're going to promote your product, we need to see the lifestyles of the consumers. Based on that lifestyles, we need to be come up with the promotion strategy which can able to serve better. So here the marketing perspectives, our marketing managers, our marketing people has to serve these needs by coming out with the product which can able to delay their better way. So now we need to see this market aspect in consumer sides. Marketing manager has to communicate purpose with three different accounts. Manager seeks the product information so that they can come out with a product offering which can able to influence their needs. So whereas consumers tend to be evaluate the information for the purpose of making the better decisions in their product. And we see what we are doing. We need to see the product information what their customers are expecting. Based on the information what they are expecting, we have to come out with such kind of product which can able to fulfill those needs. So here the marketer who has to target the customers on the basis of their core value belief that can influence the purchase behavior by appealing to the people in the inner cells. That means we need to see what is the core benefit the customers are going to be expecting from your product. We have to pitch out, we have to come out with such kind of core value within your product so that we can able to satisfy those inner cells very easily. So being in order to come out with such kind of core values, we need to go through the consumer behavior study so that we can come out with what kind of core value what they are expecting from your product, and it can be out for you to serve the customer needs very thoroughly. So let me see the risk factors which are going to be associated with the consumer perspective. In case of managers, seeks the product information has to come out with the product offering. So here manager, when we are going to be studying the consumers, we are going to see what product informations are going to be come out with the product offering, what product they are expecting and what product information they are expecting, so that we have to see. In case of consumers, consumer tend to evaluate the information for the purpose of making better decisions in choice. So customer also will expect information. So here marketer also is expecting information. Why here the marketer are going to be expecting or seeking the information for the purpose of offering a better product to the customers. Here the consumers are going to be using the information in order to evaluate the best one out of the different alternatives. So next risk factor is manager works out the strategy which are product of brand specific. So here the marketing manager are going to be work out the strategy based on the brand specific, what product they are able to help you out, they are interested, and how this product will be create a delightment or a satisfaction that we have to be work out the strategies. Here the consumers have to tend to evaluate the various brands before actually purchasing the product. When you are going to be consumer, whenever they wishes to buy any product, they are going to evaluate the pros and cons of different product. So based on that pros and cons, they are going to preferring to buy a product which can able to relate well. So next risk factor is managers may view the competition as a threat. Here the managers are a company, they are going to view the competition as a threat or a threat a hurdle. Here the consumers are going to be used as a the same threat will be they are going to use as available. More brands will ask for the opportunity to compare it. So here the information whatever you can able to get it by the consumers will be a source of information. Based on the source of information they are going to evaluate the brands which works well as it will become an opportunity for the consumers, it will become an opportunity for a threat to the managers. Thank you, friends. These are some of the MCQs you can go through with this. These are the reference you can follow through in order to go with the thorough information. Thank you.